Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this POCO smartphone. You need to start by opening Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display. Then select Brightness Level over here and tap on this switcher next to Automatic Brightness. As you can see, after that, Adaptive Brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same, now blue switcher. If you wish to, you can also go into Tab menu, look for Auto Brightness shortcut and click on it. If it's blue, that means that Auto Brightness is on. You can turn it off by tapping on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!